Shri Krishna Nidhi Foundation or SKN Foundation launched its National Scope Helpline at the Imperia by Dhaba in Franklin Township, New Jersey. The helpline is a vital resource offering support to the South Asian community navigating the challenges of the world of disabilities. The National Scope Helpline, an extension of SKN's Special Needs Community Outreach Program for Empowerment or SCOPE, will provide South Asians access to culturally relevant resources and specialized support for families managing their child with disabilities. The helpline will help to bridge the gap between South Asian families facing unique social and cultural hurdles and to receive the guidance for resources they may need to optimize the care for their child with disabilities. The launch event was in alignment with the United Nations International Day of Persons with Disabilities to celebrate this significant milestone and bring together community leaders and supporters to inform and educate them about this valuable resource. The launch featured insights from key speakers, a presentation on the helpline services, and opportunities to engage with the SKN team and specialists who will staff the helpline.
We all know either directly or family members or workplace partners who have members of their family with these challenges, and this service, which will assist people from time of diagnosis to time of entry into school and through their lifespan as they age and look for capability that will allow them to live as independently as they can, to achieve what they can. We can all achieve. And we're in it together, this recognition. It takes leadership, certainly, but it takes the community working together to deliver services that are culturally competent, that recognize the special needs of the Southeast Asian population, and will hopefully in the future be a national initiative that will help families not only here in New Jersey, but straight across the country.
Today we are here to roll out the national helpline for families and children with disabilities on celebrating the International Day for Persons with Disabilities. It is a momentous occasion where we at SKN will be able to help lots of families across the country, across the United States, which is now our home. When a family is faced with a child with disabilities, there is a vacuum that gets created, there is a loss, there is isolation, and at that time there is a tremendous amount of support that is needed for them, some guidance that is required for them to help navigate the world of disabilities. And that's what this national Scope helpline will help to accomplish.
Got to hear of the SKN Foundation very recently and very impressed by everything that they have done, what I've heard of today, and want to learn so much more about the accomplishments. Handicapped children, I think, is such a big issue, and it's an amazing thing that Dr. Mehrotra and this group have set up the support line for the SKN Foundation for these children, and then the inauguration today of their helpline as well.
SKN Foundation Scope inauguration for nationwide services for disabled children. We are so excited to be part of this noble cause of such a noble work done by my good friend Dr. Malhotra and his foundation. There is plenty and many of the events being done throughout the year, and variety of families being helped throughout the year with all the various activities. So I'm very fortunate to be part of this organization, and we will continue to do whatever it takes to take this scope work nationwide.
We both are very involved in philanthropy in India on many major projects, but now we are interested to do something similar in our community here. We live in South Jersey. We learned about SKN Foundation, and we thought it would be a great way for us to make a major change in South Jersey. So that's why we came here. To give you an idea, in India we did some major projects, things like adopting large number of villages and providing them education and change their whole life. Similarly, slums of India, we got involved in slums of India, again made major changes. We want to do similar transformation in South Jersey, especially for Indian community. So that's why we are here at SKN. It's a great organization. We have seen how good job they are doing. we thought we'd meet here with the Mehrotras and learn more about them and join them.
We have been involved in a lot of charities, and today we are here to discover more. Hopefully we'll get to know a lot of people here and we will understand what they are doing, and so we can join them hopefully. So we are very excited to be here.
I'm honored to be here. This is a wonderful work that doctor's team is doing, and it's an amazing what they're doing, and I'm very impressed. And SKN Foundation has just touched my heart, and I'm totally in support, and I will urge Indian community to be part of it. It's just an amazing work.
The SKN Foundation is dedicated to improving the quality of life for South Asians by advancing healthcare accessibility, education and advocacy. Through its various programs, SKN addresses the unique challenges facing South Asian communities, from diabetes and heart health to special needs.